Hello, good morning students. Welcome to online classes. Today we are on class 3 maths, chapter number 4, long and short. Today I am going to introduce unit conversion. So in this topic we will know how to convert one unit to another unit. Kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter, and vice versa. So let's start. So student, now we will know how to convert kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, and centimeter to millimeter, and vice versa. So it is very important for us to know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter, and 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter. You know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, so converting metric length, you may remember this, we can say formulas or method. You may remember this method. For example, when we convert kilometer to meter, so multiplying that number by 1000, and when we convert meter to centimeter, multiplying that number by 100, and when we convert centimeter to millimeter, multiplying that number by 10, and vice versa. When we convert meter to kilometer, divided that number by 1000, and when we convert centimeter to meter, dividing that number by 100, and when we convert millimeter to centimeter, dividing that number by 10. Okay, for example, conversion of kilometer into meter, conversion of kilometer into meter. So see on the screen, in this method, kilometer to meter, so we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer, that will be equal to 5000 meter. Okay, so in this method we will multiply that number by 1000, kilometer to meter. So 5, we can write 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplying by 1 kilometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 5000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. Okay, so multiplying that number by 1000 when we convert kilometer to meter. Okay, so it is not necessary for you to remember this method. You can direct multiplying the number by 1000 if converting kilometer to meter. 5 kilometer will be equal to 5000 meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 5 kilometer will be 5000 meter, and 12 kilometer will be we can write 12 into 1 kilometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 12 kilometer will be equal to 12,000 meter. And by this method, when we convert kilometer to meter, when we convert unit kilometer to meter, multiplying that number by 1000, So 1000 multiplying by 12, that is equal to 12,000 meter. So student, next, conversion of meter into centimeter. So when we convert meter into centimeter, we will multiply that number by 100. So you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can write 7 meter is equal to 7 into 1 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 7 multiplying by 100 centimeter is equal to 700 centimeter. So 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. You can directly write the answer, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so 7 meter will be equal to 700 centimeter. In another question, second question, 15 meter, conversion of meter into centimeter. So when we convert meter into centimeter, we will multiply that number by 100. So 15 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1500 centimeter. So 15 meter is equal to 1500 centimeter. So you can directly solve the questions. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 15 meter will be equal to 1500 centimeter, or 1500 centimeter. So 1500 multiplying by 100. Okay. 15 meter is equal to 15 into 1 meter, and 15 multiplying by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that will be 1500 centimeter. So next is conversion of centimeter into meter. Centimeter into meter, reverse. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So when we convert centimeter into meter, we can convert centimeter into meter by dividing that number by 100. So 900 centimeter dividing that number by 100. So 900 divided by 100 is equal to 9 meter. So 900 centimeter, that will be equal to 9 meter. You can directly solve the question, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 900 centimeter will be equal to 9 meter. And next question is 700 centimeter. So when we convert centimeter into meter by dividing that number by 100. So 700 centimeter, that will be 700 divided by 100 is equal to 7 meter. Okay. You can directly solve the question, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 700 centimeter, that will be equal to 7 meter. Okay. So student, match centimeter and kilometer according to length of a object. Okay. So length of an earthworm, okay, according to the length of object, height of a child, width of a fingernail, length of a sari, and distance from home to school. Okay. So answer will be length of an earthworm 10 centimeter, height of a child 1 meter, width of a fingernail 1 centimeter, length of a sari 5 meters, and distance between home to school, that is 2 kilometers. So write down the length of each object. So these are the questions for practice at home. So practice these questions at your home. Okay. Next is write down the length of each object. So this is also practice work. Okay. So students, again we will revise the unit conversion. Yes. So conversion of centimeter into meter. we will divide that number by 100. If conversion meter to kilometer, for example, 7000 meter will be equal to how many kilometer? So dividing that number by 1000. So 7000 divided by 1000 is equal to 7 kilometer. And another example of how to convert millimeter to centimeter. So for example, 20 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeter? So that will be dividing that number by 10. So 20 millimeter, that will be equal to 20 divided by 10, that will be equal to 2 centimeter. You can directly solve the question. If 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, so 20 millimeter, that will be equal to 2 centimeter. So student, practice these questions at your home and do the same work in your notebook. Okay, this is also practice work for you. Write down the length of each object and write down the length of this object. Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.